the lawyer I had at the time, that immediately after I had reported it to CPS when they were in Oklahoma, my ex proceeded to start calling all these law firms around the local area in Comal County and in Collin County, saying that she's got a crazy ex-husband who's making false claims about the kids doing drugs and that she needs, some legal advice or insight. And my lawyer at the time told me about it. When we went in, she's like, yeah, you've been all the talk because I guess Kelly's been going around talking to all these people. And I'm like, why would she do that? And she's like, well, it means you just can't get a lawyer.
Yeah, she's trying to conflict you out of every firm, basically.
Well, that's a strategic move. Yeah. And I'm like, this is ridiculous. Like, my God, I just wanted my kids to be safe and find out what was going on. So,
okay, give me just a second. So, because if you don't know how lawyer conflicts of interest work, so the idea is if you call a law firm and they end up engaging you, you don't have to retain them. They don't have to actually represent you in court. But if they end up engaging you on some of the issues, giving you some basic advice, getting the story, and they actually do like an intake form on you, it's very possible that their system will then conflict you out when the opposing party calls. Because if they've heard one side of it, maybe gotten some information that would be privileged to them, suddenly they have an ethical dilemma when the other party calls and says, hey, I need you to represent me against this person. They're like, wait, we have privileged info on this. We can't ethically go and represent them. So that's kind of, this is all, I'm explaining your allegation, right? Like, I don't know that this happened, but based on what you're saying, that would be the reason someone would do this and why it would be such a frustrating and strategic thing to do.
Yeah.